How to withdraw your crypto from Hyperliquid. If you've been trading on Hyperliquid, then I'm assuming you deposited in some USDC. Most of the trading pairs on Hyperliquid are against USDC. So you just need to get out of your position. If you're long, then you can sell your position out and close it off. If you're short, then you can buy your position back and close it off. But you need that position out so that you have the USDC back in your account, because you will be closing your position back into USDC. So whichever trading pair that you have, go into it and then just close it out on the right hand side. If you've deposited and traded, I assume you know how to do that. Now, if you're trading in the spot market, it's the same thing. All the trading pairs here against USDC. So whichever crypto asset you have, you need to put it back into USDC in order to remove the USDC from the platform. Now you can see what I've done here is actually got some USDC in my spot account. Now, in order to withdraw USDC from the platform, it has to be in your perps account. So what you can do once you've got USDC in your account, as you can see, I've got some right here, is go over to the right-hand side. If it's in spot, then transfer it over to perps. If it's in perps already, then that's where it should be. So I can press transfer right here, or you can come down here and press this button, which is perps and spot. If I click this, you can see that I have in perps, nothing. And if I switch it to spot, you can see I've got a balance here. So I want to transfer my USDC over to the perps market, so I can press confirm. I'm going to sign this transaction. This is not going to cost anything. It's just an internal transaction, but you need to sign that. So press confirm. That transfers the USDC from spot back into the perps market. Once you've got the USDC in your perps account, you can now withdraw it from the platform. Just press withdraw over here. Now, if you press withdraw, you will see that there are options to send out other assets. So for example, Bitcoin here. Now, Hyperliquid isn't the Bitcoin network, right? So what they'll be doing is basically taking the value that you have and using an intermediary or an exchange to sell that Bitcoin and then go and purchase the amount of Bitcoin again and then send it to your Bitcoin wallet. It's going to take, 40 minutes or so. By the time you've done this and the fees involved, it's just way easier if you're using Hyperliquid anyway, just to get into USDC and withdraw it straight away. But there are other options here. For example, on ETH as well, it's going to take 7 minutes. The fees involved and everything, it's way easier that you just get into USDC and withdraw it over Arbitrum. I'm assuming you deposited the USDC over Arbitrum when you deposited the money in anyway. And if you want to off-ramp it, it's going to be way easier just to get USDC in your wallet and then send that out to a centralized exchange, because the vast majority of centralized exchanges support Arbitrum as well. So USDC on Arbitrum, I'm going to press max right here, press withdraw to Arbitrum. I have to go ahead and sign this as well. I believe this is free as well, so press sign and confirm. And that's it. So that's gone. You can see I've got no balance now, and give it 5 minutes or so, but that will eventually find its way into your wallet. Now from your wallet, that will be on the Arbitrum network, so you can send that back out into any centralized exchange. You will need some ETH in your wallet on the Arbitrum network in order to pay for a small gas fee to take it out of your wallet back into the centralized exchange. If you need a full video guide for Hyperliquid, that's in the description below. If you need to off-ramp money, I'll leave links to the exchanges I use for that as well, with some details about which fiat currencies they support. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.